Hi everyone, welcome for this unboxing and test for the HP ZBook X2 bundle. It comes not in a box but in a pocket. Let's get out its content. A small protective plastic cap for safe transportation maybe. A kit of 10 replacement nibs, 4 blacks and 6 white, as well as a ring-shaped squeezer to catch the nib and help the replacement. A nice imitation leather case with a magnetic closure flap, 3 places to store nibs, and a small hole that should help to remove the nibs. A very good idea to go with the stylus, very good quality. Nothing to fix it, no adhesive. You will have to really see on a daily basis how it can be used, but it's quite welcome to find it in the bundle. Always to hold and carry the stylus, a card with an elastic ribbon. Simple accessories that can be glued between your tablet and its cover to provide discrete storage for the pen during transport. Some explanatory documents, an illustration of the use of the accessories, a small manual in several languages, and the warranty and support manual. And finally, the stylus itself. With another small protective plastic cap. A rather long stylus made in China with probably a metal body with a matte surface treatment. A soft plastic material in the grip area for easy handling, a button at the top end with a small soft spring effect. Also a button on the side, often configured in the tablet as an eraser, and an extremity that looks like a shell with a slightly larger diameter close to the extremity. So a long but light stylus with a good grip. Let's see how this ZBook pen can be used with storage accessories provided. Because of the prominence at the front, we will rather tuck it from the back. It holds quite well. It's made to be put in the expansion card slot of a laptop, but it can be stuck on a tablet, maybe with an adhesive. Let's see with the beautiful case provided. It's very well done. Maybe we would have just liked it to come with an adhesive to fix it. And that's it for the whole content of this bundle. Now a few measures. The stylus is about a dozen grams, which is very light considering its size, since with a length of 16.5 centimeters, it falls into the category of large stylus. The diameter at the level of the middle of the body is 9.5 millimeters, which is rather average, and thus increases near the extremity to a little bit more than 11 millimeters, and 10.7 at the level of the button. Two ways to change the nibs. We look at how it is explained on the notice, so either with a metal ring or directly with the case. The first method is quite usual. Everything is provided. I show it quickly. Before, a small comparison of the supplied nibs. Two different materials therefore. According to HP, the black polyoxymethylene, a polymer with a low coefficient of friction and good resistance to abrasion. And then the white or light gray nibs. HP speaks of felt as a material without specifying more. In any case, they will have a greater friction and will surely wear out more quickly to get as close as possible to the feeling of writing a pencil on paper. So, the replacement with the metal clip. To change the nib, no accessories are needed, you just have to aim well. With the case I will try to show you, but the good idea might not last long, since I fear that the hole will widen by using it and will not be able to tighten the nib enough. In the long run, by using it, it appears like here that the nib does not stay in the hole, but it works. I will now shut up and let you listen to the writing tests. I will write some comments on the screen, first with the Remarkable 2. Let's quickly try on a more slippery surface like Books Note Air. That's it for the little quick tour of this stylus. Very good product. Thank you for watching. If you liked and if you want to be informed about the next videos, please like and subscribe. See you for the next video.